Hey guys, I thought I'd do a different kind of video today, not my regular kind of video. I was supposed to do this organizing video, but here's life. Life happened. So a lot of you know I've been going through the process of weight loss surgery here in Canada, which is like a year-and-a-half long ridiculous thing of like meetings and blabbity bloop and classes and have to talk about your feelings and all these things. And then finally I'm at the end, right? So I go to the meeting and I'm meeting with my surgeon, and that was a couple of days ago, and my surgery date was supposed to be April 2nd. So having weight loss surgery, like the bypass, they're cutting the stomach into a pouch and they're bypassing your duodenum, some kind of intestinal thing. And they're doing stuff. It's a thing, it's a whole thing. And it was supposed to be April 2nd, and then I got a call that it's been moved up to March 19th. Which is like in a couple of days. It's like 10 days? The point is, that's my husband's birthday. Fingers crossed I don't croak on my husband's birthday. It sucks for him because he has to spend his birthday in the hospital with me, and he's not a fan. He does not want me to get the surgery. He's super against the surgery. Let's hope while he's driving me to the hospital he doesn't detour and like take me someplace else and keep me there hostage or something. He is so adamant that I don't get it, but I'm getting it and I'm excited about it, and I've made this decision for me. My point of this video is that I am going to keep you posted on the progress. Hold your fingers. I don't wanna, if you type, have you tried keto? I will punch you through the screen. Just don't, please don't put, have you tried keto? I don't, and Whole30, and have you just tried exercising every day? Blah, 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 blah. Unsolicited advice when you're a fat person is like something we deal with all the freaking time. It's not that a person who's overweight isn't knowledgeable. It's not that they don't know what they don't have to do. I guarantee that fat people know more about nutrition than skinny people because they've been researching it all the time and they're thinking about it all the time, and it consumes their every freaking waking thought. We know all the things we're supposed to do. We are so happy that it works for you. But what our problem is isn't lack of knowledge. It's some other kind of mind shit that makes it so, well, for me, I know my problem. I'm an all or nothing person. And so everything in moderation, that doesn't work for me because I'm just like, I deserve this. Or like, oh, just, I got issues, man. So I'm seeing this surgery. It's like a tool that I need. It's not the answer. It's not the be all end all. It's a tool that I need that's going to force me to go in this direction that I need to go for my health, for me personally. Do I hate myself? No. Do I hate the way I look? Well, kind of, if I'm being completely honest. Could I live like this? For sure, I could. But my health is important. I'm getting old. I'm 40, my friends. Jesus, I'm 40. And so I realized Luke Perry just died of a stroke at 52. Can I just say that? Anyways, that was a wake-up call. I'm like, oh my God, he's 12 years older than me and he died of a freaking stroke. I'm very old. So my mortality is creeping in, and so it's a big decision of why I'm doing this. There's lots of decisions why I'm doing this, but I'm telling you that I am, and I'm gonna keep you in the journey and share all the stuff with you. And so I thought I'd make a video giving you an update. March 19th is Joe's birthday. It's also the day that I'm having my weight loss surgery, and I will post as often as I can afterwards how I'm doing. Right now I'm on a shake-only diet. No food until my surgery date for medical reasons. I'm not getting into it. It's a whole thing. They do this. Anyways, the point is, this is happening. I'm very nervous, but also very excited. So stay tuned.